The Lenovo Thinkpad P73 is an awesome device. The device that I have here has a 4K display, NVIDIA RTX 4000 graphics card with 8 gigs of memory, a 9th generation Core i9 9880H CPU and 64 gigs of RAM. But the hard drive is only 256 gigs. So today I'm going to spend some time upgrading the hard drive to 2 terabytes. I'm so excited, so let's get started. Step 1 in this process is to remove all the screws in the back panel and carefully removing it. The P73 supports 2 NVMe slots and one standard 2.5-inch hard drive. Since it has 2 NVMe slots, I did not have to use an external USB NVMe enclosure to clone my hard drive. Remove the screw in the second hard drive slot. This is the new NVMe 2 terabyte Western Digital hard drive that I'm going to install into my computer. Insert the new hard drive in. Insert the back panel. In this step, I'm going to clone the 256 gig hard drive onto the new 2 terabyte drive. For this, I'm using Macrium Reflect. They have a paid and free version, and the free version works fine for my task. Select Clone this disk. Next, select the destination disk and drag over the partitions that needs to be cloned. Now this is the most crucial step. I'm going to open partition properties. Since the new hard drive is larger than the original one, I want my Windows partition to be as large as it can be on this drive. I know that the size of the recovery partition is 1000 megs. So let's keep 1000 megs of space for it. The recovery partition fits perfectly. Next, let's go to Advanced Options and make sure that you have the same options selected. I'm okay with BitLocker not being enabled on the new hard drive. I can turn it on later. This is the cloning summary. Verify that the source disk, the destination, and the partitions are all correct. Fantastic! So the cloning process begins. It will take a couple of minutes for this to complete. Okay, so the cloning is done. Let's see what we have. I see 2 hard drives with 2 similar looking partition structures, and I can confirm that the Windows partition is resize. Nice. Now the final step is to remove the old 256 gig hard drive and boot the computer with the new one. Alright guys, so I turned on the computer and I see the Lenovo logo. Seems to be working. Fantastic! Windows boots without an issue. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you found this useful.